Gift wrapping is so much fun because there are so many techniques to choose from. Ribbon Tsutsumi is one of my favorites because it looks so elegant. Place your box close to the edge of your furoshiki, leaving enough fabric to cover one corner of the box. Bring the box closer to you by either flipping it once or sliding it towards you with the width of the box. Take the corner of the furoshiki closer to you and drape it over the box. Take another corner, cover the box, and turn over the box once. Take the edge of the furoshiki that you measured initially and bring it over to the corner of the box. Take two corners of the furoshiki and make a bow. Adjust the bow and fabric if needed. Now you have a wrapped gift with ribbon musubi.